Hello and welcome to this first lecture. In this lecture you will get a basic understanding on what SAP actually is. So what do people mean when they say something along the lines like, we use SAP in our company, or SAP is a big company? So first of all, it's important to distinguish between the company SAP and the software SAP that is produced and developed by the company named also SAP. So let's start with the company. SAP was founded in 1972 in Walldorf in Germany. It's still headquartered in Germany and it's the biggest European software company. It's the most valuable German company with 165 billion euros and over 100,000 employees work with SAP. And 440,000 customers use SAP. According to SAP, over 75% of the world's transactional revenue is recorded within SAP systems. So 3/4 of the world's revenue is recorded with SAP systems. SAP is an abbreviation and in German it stands for Systeme, Anwendungen, Produkte in der Datenverarbeitung, or in English, Systems, Applications and Products in Data Processing. So, in conclusion, SAP is a valuable and a huge company that mainly produces software. Let's have a closer look at the software. Whenever someone says something like, we use SAP in our company, they are referring to the software SAP. SAP offers many software products. The most important one is SAP ERP and its successor SAP S/4HANA. With these two products, business processes in a company can be planned and executed. So businesses and all kinds of organizations, also governmental organizations or even NGOs, use SAP to plan, to execute and to monitor their business processes. SAP ERP and SAP S/4HANA are so-called ERP systems. An ERP system is software to manage the main business processes. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. So SAP is an ERP system, and what can people now do actually with SAP? They can manage their business processes. So for example, a company can buy products from a vendor, or an organization can sell services to customers, or a company can hire employees and later on pay these employees with the SAP system. Or a company can create a profit and loss statement and later on create a balance sheet. So whenever you hear that a company uses SAP, the employees working at the company, the accountants, the employees in HR, the staff in the purchasing department or in warehousing, they are all using SAP in their daily work. For example, a purchasing specialist in a company will spend a lot of time in an SAP system to create purchase orders. Or an accountant will spend many hours in an SAP system to enter accounting documents and to post payments. SAP, ERP and S/4HANA are the most successful and the most commonly used ERP systems around the world. Most large companies like Fortune 500 companies use SAP in their daily business. So in conclusion, it's important to differentiate between the company SAP on the one hand and the software SAP on the other hand. The company is a huge and valuable company that produces mainly ERP software to manage business processes. The software SAP is widely and globally used by all kinds of organizations to plan, to execute and to monitor their business processes, like selling services, producing products, purchasing goods or paying employees. So that's it for a very basic understanding about what SAP actually is. In the next lecture you will gain a deeper understanding why companies actually need ERP systems like SAP and why they use SAP so much. See you in the next lecture.